Morning arrives. Slowly, a thin mist still blankets the distant mountains. The rain has just passed. Droplets fall gently from the thatched roof, each one dancing to the quiet rhythm of the morning. A young woman sits calmly on the bamboo porch, a warm cup of coffee in her hands, wrapped in thick winter clothes. But what she feels is not the cold, it's peace. Before her, endless green rice fields shimmer with rain. Still wet, still alive, the golden sunlight breaks through softly, touching the land with warmth, painting everything in a natural, cinematic glow. Every second moves in slow motion, every breath a quiet story. In a world that rushes by, this moment is a pause, a beautiful pause, a cinematic morning, etched in memory.